Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles and a very familiar guest this morning, Miss Kristi Shive, the Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Kristi.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristi, you guys have a big event coming up. So much fun. Tell us all about it.
So it is the Jingle Mingle, and it's my favorite event of the year. I love Christmas. I think a lot of people love Christmas. And so really what it is, it's a day of demonstrations of DIY Christmas gifts, crafts, holiday recipes, and it's a really fun event because basically you pay $12. You come to the extension office and you get to watch. It's kind of like watching your favorite show, your favorite craft show. And you get to see these demonstrations, and a lot of the demonstrations are from women, the homemakers here in Warren County, who have so many skills and so much knowledge that they are sharing with us, and it's just a day full of fun.
I know. I still think about some of the recipes and some of the crafts that they exhibit. Now, I'm not very crafty, but I do remember the food. Those little crackers that they had last year, so good, and such a great way to fellowship.
It is. So a lot of the times whenever there's a food demonstration, they will make enough for the audience to get to taste it. And I know how it is to think about attending a community event. Maybe you're shy or you just don't feel like you know anyone there. It's the perfect time to come. You can sit in the audience and you can just watch. Or it is a good opportunity to find out more about the Warren County Homemakers. And like you said, there is lunch served and the food is so good. And it's just such a fun day. And so the cost is $12, not much at all. It's Friday, November 8th from 10 to 2. If you can't stay the whole time, that's all right. We do encourage you to stay the whole time if you can, but yeah, it's just a great opportunity.
Yeah, and it's one of my favorite events of the year too. I love Christmas as well, but it's just one of those fun events. The homemakers do so many great things in the community, and this is one of the events that they fundraise to help support all the projects that they do throughout the entire community.
Absolutely. There's a silent auction, and so you'll be able to bid if you would like, and it's a fun event, but it's also going towards something really special. The homemakers do so much work, and if the community or anyone watching is interested in becoming a homemaker, it's a great opportunity to come meet some of the wonderful women who are a part of the homemakers. Although we would love to get some men to become homemakers, but yes, wonderful event, and it's almost Christmas. The holidays are approaching, so if you need to get some ideas for some snacks or dessert to take to a holiday get-together, maybe you want to save some money this year and make your own Christmas gifts, it's a great way to get some ideas.
And you mentioned men, and you know, people might think, well, you know, men don't belong in homemakers, but homemakers are really about learning, serving, community aspect, leadership, and any man could fit into those roles if that's something that they're passionate about.
Absolutely. We have some plans to do some nature and birding workshops this year, and I think we could really benefit from having some men join, because we would really get to have some of their knowledge and gather some ideas of what they would like to see here in Warren County.
Absolutely. Now, this event's been limited as far as space goes, but now we have a brand new office.
Yes,
and
we do.
This is when we're opening it up to the public to come.
Yes, and that's why we are able to invite guests, because we have the space. So even if you're just interested in seeing the new building, it's a great opportunity. But we do still have limited the spots. So if you're interested, make sure you call to RSVP so we can ensure that there is a spot available. But yeah, so it's exciting that we can open it up to the community, because before it was limited to the homemakers, and which is fine, but now we are all excited and hoping that we can encourage more people to join the homemakers and see what they're all about.
So Kristi, how do I RSVP to attend?
All right, so you are going to call the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office at 270-842-1681.
All right, perfect. So mark your calendars, November the 8th, great thing, on a Friday, grab some girlfriends, come out, because I promise you will not be disappointed. I'm hoping to sneak over there as well too, Kristi. And so, Jingle Mingle. If you have any questions about joining the Homemakers Association or some of the projects that they work on, or even some of the birding classes that Kristi talked about, contact the Warren County Extension Office and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.